Meghalaya paid rich floral tribute to freedom fighter U Kiang Nongbah on his 160th death anniversary. Pressure groups and individuals alike gathered at different places across the state in the morning and late reads. They recalled his contribution and courage to stand up for the people against the oppression of the British force. In one such gathering at his memorial statue near Civil Hospital Point, Khasi Students Union KSU President Lombok Star Marngar encouraged the youth to take a cue from the contribution of U Kiang Nongbah and stand up for the rights of the people and against any oppression. UTP leader Paul Lingdor said that the sword and shield has been now replaced by pen and urged the youth to utilize it in the modern fight for rights.
Kaya penkesiu yang ini iwai poi kum kisam lah. Bakane kepateng kamdai banong bansutup bakita kilong swa kijongi kilale bat kila IT ya kecai penriu habon ba kiliang. Harga jingkeli hangi kilong manta in ai kebakumno ya kepateng keban saka. Kata ka song hajing perkat hajing puson hajing sutu jong wai poi dukat kamtam kisam lah kim ichadham kibajuli sabadan nakapor mansya terha mansya jingi repair pan snow kimat kejura repair nam taka jingpet jingbiang jong kajat penriu rokowai.